Here at Moore's RV, we have some of the best units to pick from out on the market. And today we're going to show you the Keystone Cougar 32BHS half-ton series fifth wheel. And this is a beautiful unit weighing in at a UVW of 9,300 pounds. So if you have a half-ton, you can definitely pull this fifth wheel. You'll notice right up front we have the big fiberglass cap with our LED lights built right in. So you have the beautiful looking front cap so that the RV is going to look great for the lifetime that you have this unit. Okay, fiberglass sidewall, so you have the flat, nice, easy sidewalls to take care of. So it's going to be easier to keep clean and it just looks better. You'll see right here in this big pass-through front storage, you have plenty of room for your gear, for your goodies that you're going to bring. And then the door is also held up by a magnet. It's not those plastic clips that you've broken a million of. So that makes it real nice and easy there. You have a nice grab handle and you can lock your gear in there so you don't have to worry about people stealing your gear while you're traveling. You'll notice you have the 3 aluminum steps, so you have the nicer steps here on the Cougar, which makes a huge difference as you're going in and out. And when you walk on them, you'll definitely feel the difference. Nice big awning, okay, LED awning light, so that's going to provide some nice light out here while we're camping at night and hanging out with the family. And we have a nice big awning that we can hang out underneath and have a lot of fun. So outdoor speakers, so while we're outside we can jam to the outdoor speakers, play some music while we're grilling, and really just enjoy the outdoors here with the Cougar. This is the Polar package, so this is built for kind of 4 seasons camping, so you'll be able to camp more times of the year when you have a product like the Keystone Cougar. We'll jump back to the outdoor kitchen here and excuse our nice telephone poles as we come back to the outdoor kitchen. And you'll notice a pretty awesome grill. Look at this Capital grill. That's a very awesome setup. You have the mini fridge back here, so for extra food or drinks, we have plenty of room for the extra food and the drinks. Our sink is plumbed in, so you don't have to remove that sink out and dump it out whenever it's full and all that good stuff. So it is plumbed in, so you don't have to worry about it. Turn the water on, you're rolling. We got our head cover right up top, so when it's sunny out like today, we have some shade, or if it's raining, we're not going to get soaking wet while we're out here cooking up some food. On the back, you'll notice that we have a nice big bracket or a kind of storage device here, so things that we're bringing, we can pop that baby down and pack some gear on there. We also have the ladder already to the roof, so it'll make it easier to check your seals. And then we have the mounting bracket for a backup camera. If you want to install a backup camera, the mounting bracket's already up there, so they make your life easy there. This back door, you also notice it does have the 3 aluminum steps. And this back door is going to lead into the bunkhouse and into the bathroom there. But we're going to go to the front door. Jump in that way. You'll notice we have the nice big grab handle here. All right, and let's go take a look on the inside. As we jump right into the main living area, we'll start here in the kitchen, and you'll notice we have a good amount of counter space here. All right, with the seamless countertops, where water's not going to get in those seams and expand those counters. We have the sink covers here that can be doubled as a cutting board, so we're not using it for counter space. We can use it as a cutting board. Stainless steel sinks, which is the double sink, and they have plenty of room for your pans and your pots and your whatever plates, bowls that you're going to be cleaning here in the kitchen. So plenty of room there in the sink. Residential style sprayer, so you have the nicer fixtures here in the Cougar. All right, and then you also have a little bit bigger of an oven with the 3 stovetop burner. So check out how big this oven is. It's definitely bigger than most of your RV ovens. And then you have the 3 stovetops up here with the glass cover. So when we're cooking something, we have a nice backsplash here. And then when we're not cooking, we can put this glass cover down and we have ourselves some more counter space. So very dual purpose, very functional. We have the bigger Dinette fridge in this unit. It runs off of propane and electric. So anytime you are traveling, you can just throw the propane on and keep the foods cold. And when you get to the campground, you plug in the electric. It'll automatically switch to the electric. We'll jump into the bathroom here. You notice we have a good sized shower. I'm 5'9", 5'10". You almost have to be shacked to hit your head on the ceiling, so you have a good sized shower. You have a tub in here as well, so if you have some kids and you like to give them some baths, you will have that option in this bathroom. Okay, and then in the toilet, we have the porcelain toilet. with the foot flush. So porcelain's nicer because it's not going to hold smells, it's not going to hold chemicals. So the Keystone Cougar, you have the nicer toilet in here as well. All right, we'll jump back into the bunkhouse, and this is one awesome bunkhouse. And take a look at this bad boy. We got 4 sleeping areas here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sleeping areas, and we have plenty of storage space. So you'll see we have the drawers kind of on the bunk here for some storage. All right, we have some drawers underneath the bunk for some more storage here. Okay, so we have plenty of room for our clothes, for our goodies, whatever we're bringing, and then we have a lot of room to entertain. Spot for a television right along the backside wall, right next to our sofa sleeper. So you can see we can sit here, watch some television, have some fun with our family and friends, and then we have plenty of extra sleeping room here in the bunkhouse for whenever we're ready to rack out, call it a night. We'll move right up here into the booth dinette. You'll notice a good sized booth dinette. This will also turn into another sleeping area, so you can drop this table down and turn this into a sleeping area if you want some more sleeping room. So again, we have plenty of room to entertain our guests, our friends, and our family here in the 32BHS. This sofa sleeper here, this is a tri-fold sofa sleeper, so it can typically fit 2 adults on it whenever it's pulled out. So you not only do you have a very comfortable couch with a good angle to the TV, but you have a sleeping area that will fit 2 adults. If you're bringing just the whole world, we got plenty of room for them. Also, you'll see up top we have kind of the nice aesthetic woodwork with the LED lights built right in. So very, very good looking lights. And then you also have the nice shades that come along right along with it. Well, notice right up front, nice big TV, built-in entertainment. Okay, so CD, DVD player built right in there. Also auxiliary, so you can plug your phone or whatever to it. So we have a good entertainment system. Speakers are built into the roof, kind of a surround sound feel into the roof. And then also your AC and your heat is ducted through the roof and through the floor. So AC's through the roof, your heat's ducted through the floor. So you're going to have a very even coverage of heat and AC all the way through this RV. So you don't have to worry about hot and cold spots while you're out there on the campground. We'll jump into the master bedroom. You'll notice a nice big bedroom area, nice big bed. You have nightstands on either side of the bed with power. So you have your outlets and your USB chargers on both sides of the bed. So for your phones or whatever you're bringing, you will have a place to put them. Nice big closet. You'll notice a good amount of storage here in the closet. So we have a nice big storage area here in the bedroom for all of our clothes and goodies that we're bringing. And we got a half bathroom. So bath and a half in this unit. We got our sink in here. We got our porcelain toilet with the foot flush. So we have the nicer toilet in the master bedroom as well. So for you guys sleeping here in the master, you don't have to make the long walk to the front of the RV to use a restroom. You got it right here en suite. Another cool thing that they added is kind of this little touchpad here. Digital display will show you your black, gray tanks, your interior lights, water heater, water pumps. So you can kind of control some of the things here in the RV directly from that digital display, which makes your life easier and it looks a lot nicer. So as you can tell, this Keystone Cougar 32BHS has all of the bells and whistles that you can possibly think of. And if you have a lot of friends and family that are usually at the campground with you, this would be a great fifth wheel for you to take a look at. Being the half-ton series, weighing a UVW of around 9,300 pounds, you can pull this with a half-ton truck or more or bigger, which gives you a lot of versatility there. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below some of the features that you like in this 32BHS, and we'll see you next time. We appreciate you for watching the video. So if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to our channel, visit our website, or you can just watch some more videos and enjoy the rest of our channel.